It's been 4 months, and this is the first time someone has asked me, marketing related question. So, attraction content is essentially content that attracts your ideal client to you, and it could be anything. It could be reels, carousels, single posts, whatever content you create, anything that hooks your ideal client and attracts them to check out your content and then check out your page, probably click on your website tab, your link to book a call or whatever. So most preferably, I would say right now, I would say for me at least, it's reels, because reels go out to a lot of non-followers. So attraction content with reels is a good combo, very good combo.